I hope you're having a great day. We're live from Las Vegas celebrating 10 years of reInvent. I'm Rudy Chetty, and there are some special backpacks being packed right now at reInvent. And we're not talking about swag. Thousands of volunteers are helping pack these backpacks with meals for 3,000 kids in Clark County. Just like in 2019, I got the opportunity to go through the line right when it opened. And it was such a fantastic experience that, you know what, I have to introduce our guests. I want to introduce you to Brian Burton, President and CEO at 3 Square Food Bank, and Caitlin Frette, Senior Event Marketing Manager at AWS. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, it's
Thanks
great
for
to be
having
here,
us.
Rudy.
Well, Brian, can you tell me more about these backpacks and 3 Square's mission?
Absolutely. Well, we're thrilled everyone's here. I love the energy in this hallway today. But 3 Square is the Feeding America Food Bank for Southern Nevada. And so we're the backbone of the charitable food distribution program here. And our mission is to provide wholesome food to hungry people while passionately pursuing a hunger-free community. And you may wonder, well, is there hunger in Las Vegas? This looks pretty fancy around here.
Yeah.
Well, about 2 miles from this location is some of the worst poverty in our whole state. So we have about 350,000 people that are food insecure.
Okay.
They worry about where their next meal's coming from. And so imagine 10 or 12 times as many people who are at reInvent are in risk of hunger here. So we push the food out to about 100 partners throughout this area. And we do a good job at it. We're 13 years old. We're very nimble.
Wow.
We have 94 cents of every dollar that goes directly into programs. And that 1 out of 6 people in our community who is at risk of hunger really depends on this food stream.
Yeah.
And they really appreciate it, particularly during these perilous times.
Wow, it's great to hear.
Yeah.
And if I switch over to you, Caitlin, how did we get involved and why is it so important to be involved on a local level?
Yeah, so I mean, it's a priority for us to really support the community where we operate, and for reInvent,
Yeah.
our home is Las Vegas and Clark County. So one way that we support that is by partnering with 3 Square on their program, Backpacks for Kids.
Okay. I mean, look, it's really an amazing assembly line. I mean, for the people watching at home, how can they get involved?
Well, there is a food bank in your community that's affiliated with Feeding America, so you can go to feedingamerica.org to learn about your food bank. To help 3 Square here locally, which we greatly appreciate it. We still have the highest unemployment here in the nation. But you'd go to 3square.org, spelled out, and you could go on there and donate. $1 this month turns into 6 meals. And so we have matching opportunities. And this backpack program, which y'all are helping us with today, so important. Those are the about 5,000 of the most vulnerable kids in Clark County that will get food on the weekends that otherwise would do without. So,
Wow.
yeah.
I mean, it's amazing stuff that you guys are doing.
Thank
and
you.
the partnership that we've developed.
We love it.
It's just getting
We're
stronger
so
and stronger,
grateful.
right?
Yeah, thank you so much. It's just,
for being
it's
here.
a beautiful thing that you're doing.
Oh, lovely. Well, thank you again for joining us. And it's truly wonderful to pack this all in, especially during the holiday season. Thanks again to both of you for joining me. I'm Rudy Chetty. You're watching Live from reInvent.